Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. Welcome friends. We will continue on the next series of advanced XLookUps. This is generally a combination of XLookUp and other functions in Excel. We will start with nesting. Nesting basically means putting one formula into another. So here we will see how we can use nested XLookUps. If you remember, this was the original VLOOKUP where we introduced what VLOOKUP was. For more on this, you can click on the link below in the description. So here we had a choice of mini pancakes, original of which and ice cream of which in the various choice available. So here in VLOOKUP we copied the same formula from I23 to J23 and K23. We'll copy the same formula here just to check, just to have a quick review of the XLOOKUP. We look up the chocolate lot in this range of choices, and for the variety of all the three we look up this is the return array. This is what we get: 110, 140, 160 for all the three. Now I want the rate for only the original of which. There is no point getting distracted by other rates. I want only for one particular thing. So here is where the nested look comes into play. Basically what we are doing here is, we got now from the XLOOKUP, the return array, we got three columns here. From here we extract only one column for which we require the choice of my variety. Choice is the mini pancakes, original of which ice cream, and the variety is in the list of waffles available. So the variety and choice is given just because to differentiate between what exactly I'll be requiring. So here, how do we get it? I'll get the formulas into the adjacent cells. To make it easier to understand, I have given range names to our various data points here. For example, this is given range name of choice, and then the variety is mini pancakes or of which, or the ice cream of which, and the rates are of course for all the three columns for all the varieties, which is named the rates column. So I just mark them here. The rates are I5 to K21. The variety is I4 to K4, which is the mini pancakes, the one of which, or the ice cream of which. The choice is of course with sort of waffle you want, which is in the list from H5 to H21. So here we select the choice and then we select the variety, and we get only one rate here. I put the formula here, which is XLOOKUP. I look up the mango white chocolate in my choice, and the choice is of course the list here, which is highlighted here. You can see it's highlighted, and then I get my rates, which is the same as the earlier for what I did here. So once we get that, out of these three figures, I want only one value, which is the original of which. For that, in these three, I look up for my variety, which is in N22, which is original of which, and I look up my variety here. Variety, yes, this is, we have to look up in these 3 columns of choices. So here I get, out of these 3, I am selecting one column. Out of 3 columns, select one column which matches with my choice variety of original WAF which. This is what I get, 130. So I'll just copy the formula. Yes, already typed here. Is 130. So when I change my choice to, let us say, the ice cream WAF which, get 150. This can be, and if I select my original of mini pancakes, 100. If you want to combine this one, let us say this is chocolate overload milk dark. This also can be. So this is what I get. So just to cross check, the mini pancake is 110, 110. The original WAF which is 140, which is 140, and the ice cream WAF which is 160, which is 160.
Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends, and colleagues to help them, you, and me to excel at work.